I'm Ariane, Internet Sales Manager at Mainland Ford. I'm sitting in the back of our brand new 2021 Ford Ranger in Cyber Orange. These are BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain mud and snow and snowflake rated tires on 18-inch rims. The FX4 kit also includes off-road tune suspension, trail control, and skid plates. Comes complete with a roll bar and a light bar. Is this my good side? The black appearance package also includes the blacked out Ford emblem, 18-inch black wheels, and black badges throughout the truck. So come check out our Cyber Orange Level 2 Ranger here at Mainland Ford.
I'd be pretty excited to drive this, wouldn't you?